There comes a time during any CNC program that we're working on that we have to go through and program the axial machining operations to cut out or drill out cylindrical holes. Any other feature that needs to be extracted is generally unique enough that the process doesn't become tedious. We're always selecting different shapes for facing operations, profile contouring, or even just, edge breaks. However, no matter what CAM program I use, there's one thing that I can't stand, and that is manually extracting out holes. In this program, I already have some operations defined, and it's time to cut out these holes. For this specific example, there's only 5 holes, so it probably wouldn't take me too long to actually go through and manually extract them. However, for a much larger project, any amount of time savings that we can have to not spend extracting 10, 20, 100, 1,000 holes would be much appreciated. Fortunately for us, NC Shop Floor Programmer has a built-in command to handle just that. The command can be accessed a couple of different ways. The first is on the axial machining tab of our action bar, and we have an automatic hole search command that we can launch, and it'll put us right into that hole recognition. The other way is in our shop floor machining wizard. I can go to the feature recognition tab, automatic hole search, and that's going to bring up that whole feature recognition command. So either way is going to get us to the same point. Now from here we have a couple options. The first is to just recognize all of the holes on our part, so no matter how many we had, it'll recognize them. The other thing we can do is recognize it by selection. And what this will allow me to do is pick an existing hole, and it will either match the dimension or the topology for me and try to recognize similar holes. Let's go with this, match by dimension. I'll turn off my stock so we can select a hole. I'm going to pick maybe this back left corner. Now I can search, and it's going to show me that 5 holes are being recognized, and I can go ahead and create that. So now it's going to recognize 5 simple holes. If we had tapers or counterboards, countersunk holes, it would recognize those as well, and give us operations in our operation tree. So now we have a drilling operation with the toolpath going to each one of those holes.